Hey everyone, welcome to the Jeremy Vinny 3D Prints YouTube channel. Today we will be 3D printing my top 5 favorite articulating animals and mythical beasts. The prints are from some of the best designers in the STL game, and none of them require supports. So let's get into it. The first print comes from a designer called Pipe Cox. This is an articulating Foo Lion. The level of detail and articulation on this model is amazing. Foo Lions have traditionally stood in front of Chinese imperial palaces, government offices, temples, and the homes of government officials and the wealthy. It is said that Foo Lions have powerful mythical protective benefits. And if you really geek out on Eastern lore, the lions are usually depicted in pairs. One male lion and one female lion. The male lion leans his paw on an embroidered ball. The ball is the world, meaning supremacy over the world. The female is restraining a playful cub, representing nurture. I printed using the following settings: nozzle temperature 210, thermal bed temperature 50, nozzle diameter 0.4 millimeters, and infill at 20%. The next print comes from Flexi Factory. This is a 3D printed phoenix. The phoenix is a mythical bird originating from ancient Egyptian mythology. It is said that this firebird lived for several centuries before rising from its own ashes, symbolizing rebirth and immortality. I print it with the following settings: nozzle temperature 210, thermal bed temperature 50, nozzle diameter 0.4 millimeters, and infill 30%. The next print also comes from the Flexi Factory. This is a 3D printed squirrel. Squirrels are capable of remembering the location of their food stashes for several months, and have been observed using scent and memory to locate food. I print it using the following settings: nozzle temperature 210, thermal bed temperature 50, nozzle diameter 0.4 millimeters, infill 30%. The next print file comes from Nikko Industries. The file is called Flexi Dragon Whelp. Despite their fearsome reputation, dragons were also seen as symbols of power and strength in many cultures. In some medieval societies, dragons were even considered to be noble creatures and were associated with the ruling classes and used as emblems of royalty. I print it using the following settings: nozzle temp 220, thermal bed temp 60, nozzle diameter 0.4 millimeters, infill 40%. And the last print comes from MatMire Makes. The print file is of an articulating bat. Bats play an important role in pollination and seed dispersal for many plant species, and are also crucial to maintaining the health of many ecosystems, as they are the primary predators of insects. In fact, some species of bats can eat their own body weight in insects in just one night. I print it using the following settings: nozzle temperature 210, thermal bed temperature 50, nozzle diameter 0.4 millimeters, and infill 40%. Well, that's all for this week's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, happy printing.